1 million Hindus ran away from Pakistan and they became millionaires. This is their story. In 1947, when India and Pakistan split, over 1 million Hindus from Sindh province had to flee their homes. They lost everything and arrived in India with no land, no money, no refugee status, and no help.
Mom, where do we live?
But here's what's crazy. They never played the victim. They didn't wait for the United Nations. They migrated to 20 countries and made it big. They opened shops, started schools, businesses, and turned tents into skyscrapers. Sindhis, they call them, became one of the most successful minorities in the world. No one cried for their tragedy. Even they didn't. You can build an amazing future if you just stop crying about the past.